Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. So today we are going to be learning about how can we use conditional formatting in an Excel workbook. So in this particular sheet I have created a table over here. As you can see, there is person 1 and person 2 with some similar names. So we will use conditional formatting to find the duplicate values within these. So what I'll do is I'll just go to home tab, then go to conditional formatting, then over here as you can see highlight cells rules, then here in bottom there is duplicate values. See this, so we will be using this. So what I'll do is I'll just select all this, then go here, highlight cells rules, then in this bottom duplicate values, then here you can see there is style classic, icon set, data bar, 3 color scale, 2 color scale. We will use classic, and here is the formatting. Only format cells that contain, only format top or bottom ranked values, only format values that are above or below average, only format unique or duplicate values. Use a formula to determine which cells to format. So we will be using only format unique or duplicate values. And here there is duplicate values we will be using, and you can select the format color here, right? Light red fill with dark red text. So we will use this only, then I'll just click OK. Here you can see there is that Ankit Sharma is in both. So Ankit Sharma is showing in both columns, and here Ajay Negi in both column, Tushar Joshi, Rishabh Singh, Arjun Pal. So the values which are duplicates will be highlighted. So this is the way we can use conditional formatting to find duplicate values in an Excel. So this is how you can use conditional formatting. I hope you find this video useful, and if you find this video useful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and press the bell notifications for further updates. So take care, bye bye.